What do you like to do? I know when you have some time off. Hello, guys, and welcome back to Creative Instruct. Today is Saturday, it's weekend. I would have loved to go out somewhere, but quite cold. We had the first snow yesterday, and frankly, I've been a bit sick, so I decided to spend this time indoor. So why not practice a hobby? And I do think it's important that each of us picks up a hobby, something that you like to do in your free time. And if you're already working in the IT industry as a designer, coder, project manager, and all week you're on the computer in meetings, in calls, uh, yeah, debugging or writing code, do try to do something else, something that helps you relax, helps you enjoy the time you have. So, how about today we try to build up this thing? Yeah, it's a Lego I got on Black Friday. I think you can find it on Amazon or in any other retail shop you have in your area. Is the model from the movie Batman 1989 with Michael Keaton and Jack Nicholson who played the Joker. And let's try to open the box and see what's inside. Okay, guys, first of all, I think we have a manual. Now, the nice thing about this one is that the puzzles, yeah, the bricks come in numbered bags. I have several numbers. Basically, when I start working, I will try to open and refer to the bag they mentioned here. I'm going to talk about traditional hobbies. Yeah, this is more like a message for those working in the IT industry or designers. Well, if you're like me, you're going to end up spending Monday to Friday around 8 to 10 hours a day in front of the computer, thing which in the long run it starts to add up, starts to make you feel tired, anxious, definitely not creative, and it will have a say on your uh, mental health, well-being overall. It's a point you want to try to avoid, and you see that they talk a lot about burnout, about anxiety. I hope that you guys out there are fine and do try to recharge uh, yeah, your batteries by picking up some traditional hobby. Why I say that? Because you need time off from screen. Okay, if it's something that has to do again with your mobile phone, tablet, Netflix that keeps your eyes glued to television, so on, that's not a hobby. That's again not healthy. And by traditional hobbies, what do I mean? You can join a book club, pick up a book, read. You can draw, you can paint, you can play modeling. Um, if you're into dancing, hey, join a dance club. Or if you're into cooking, maybe you can take some cooking lessons. If you're into martial arts or sports, yeah, go and join a gym, practice with people that have physical skills and aptitude. Um, you're gonna get better in time. Then again, you might be into knitting or domino, origami, sewing. There are so many other things that you can do, yeah, and completely forget about handheld devices and things like that. Done with the model, took me 2 days, I would say 9 hours in total, maybe 10. 12 steps, roughly each step around 40-45 minutes. That will add up to 9 hours of effective building what you see here. This is the final design, and yeah, great toy. Something that you know you can place somewhere. I'll need to find a place for it, but that's all for now, guys. See you in the next one.